Alright, in this video here, I'm going to show you how my program works with these new updates I've added to it. So first off, I'm going to load it. And as you can see, it's got new items for the list and a bunch of different shaders you can use. It goes like all the way to 1559. And first, what you do is you go to session properties here, and you select whether you want to use a camera, um, a graphics file, or a video file. And then for a video file, it's HDR. You can choose to convert it from HLG source to HDR10 after it's done processing. You can change the encoding quality. I usually use very fast or ultra fast in animation when I'm making videos that are supposed to be real time. And you can set the quality level and what codec to use, either software or hardware, or auto, which will detect whether you're using CUDA or however you say it or not. And set the screen resolution, and we'll set that to default. Actually, we'll leave that where it was because this is a 4:30 video file here. And okay. And now we can go here. I'll show you I have this new metadata viewer where I can select different videos here and then analyze it, and it'll give you all the information about the video so you can best make your decisions on what you want a program to do with your video, and you can make a markdown for your GitHub or whatever. And then you got a HTML for your web page and text for your README file. And you can copy that to a clipboard or whatever. And also I have the MIDI settings where you can configure your MIDI device. And right now I have a Nano Control 2 connected, and I can load my MIDI configuration, and I got the knobs and buttons all mapped and stuff like that for it to work. Try to change something on the MIDI device, see it respond. And once you save that file, you can load right here, and just remember that next time you run the program. And there's your audio settings where you can enable reactivity, recording volume, number of channels, the sensitivity, how strong it will react, the input device, the output device. If you want to use a audio file instead of a microphone or a line in, you can do that. And you can choose to make it stop when your audio file finishes, and set that. And go to the GPU filter settings. These are more glitch related effects that you can add to your program, have them be called before your shaders pipeline. Like these are most of these effects are from the old Cam. It was just ported over to CUDA to run a lot faster and in parallel, and they allow you to stack multiple ones of them up. So that's only enabled if you have compiled code into your application. And then you get the multipass shader settings. This is where you select multiple shaders to be called one after the other. It mixes with your post-processing shader, which is the one you have selected in this list. And select this one, or that one, and then enable it and load and save your list. And this is a really cool part, the shader playlist settings, where you can enable a shader playlist and then load one, and then one I had Claude make me, load up this list and allows you to have a tree of different multi-pass shader stacks that you can call by pressing different keys on your keyboard or MIDI device. And you can keep adding them to the same list or load and clear it. And you can have it set for an autopilot mode, or you can make it change automatically every so many frames, which is pretty cool. And then the shader cache is something you can rebuild so it'll load faster. You just call that and it'll compile all your shaders and into the shader cache, and it'll say right here whether or not it's cached or not. And I'll change one of them, and it'll change to stale. So when I go to run the program, um, uh, make one that turns in green. You go to run your program, it'll compile your shaders and re-update the cache, and then it'll be available. This is from a video file, and you can change the shader in real time, make it react to music and all kinds of stuff. You can record, do whatever, and it's basically something I've been working on for quite a while now for fun, and hope you enjoyed this program and this video explaining it. Okay, thank you.